Tyre Select and Total Parts Pro. Today the 2014 Audi Q3, stock number 6704. This ran from the 3rd 2012 to the 12th 2018. It has a CFFB 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CFFB 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left hand and left rear door all good. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear right hand door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right hand headlight has sun cracks. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Either AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.